It's a 2017 Challenger MT775E. So it's 7-cylinder, 400 horsepower with a 40k 16-speed power shift gearbox. Comes with a front weight box with some storage space and additional lighting. The front grille is in really good condition. Top grille showing a little sign of rust with the black paint. The bodywork's in really good condition. A couple of very minor scuffs and scratches in places, but nothing major. And then both sides at the front, we've got 10 additional 45 kilogram wafer weights. The front steps are in good condition. Just a slight bend to them and missing a little bit of the black paint. The toolbox is intact. It's diesel and AdBlue. It's on 30-inch agricultural tracks. Left side, about 40% tread remaining, with quite a few scuffs and scratches, a couple of small lumps missing. It's got inner and outer front idler weights. The rubber on the inner and outer mid rollers is in good condition. And then we've got 9 35 kilogram track frame weights. And the rubber on the drive wheel is in good condition. Some halogen rear work lights. And then we've got external rear linkage and PTO control on the left hand side fender, and external linkage control on the right hand side fender. Some Cat 4 rear linkage with a manual closed end top link. 5 rear spools with decompression levers. Got power beyond, load sensing, isobus and hydraulic trailer brakes. And a Cat 4 drawbar. Right hand track also about 40%, but it is missing a couple of treads, which are probably currently at the bottom. Also got outer track frame weights on the right hand side. Mid roller rubber. Inner and outer both sides good condition. Right hand side driver rubber is in good condition. Also got inner and outer front idler weights. Exhaust stacks in really good condition. Tiny bit of rust showing. However, the tip has been blown through. There is currently a hole in it which can be replaced. Right hand side bodywork's in good condition. So in the cab of this Challenger, the trim and the plastic's in really good condition. Got a leather folding passenger seat, an air suspended and heated driver's seat, also in good condition. Headline is immaculate. Got climate control and a Bluetooth radio. All electronic spools to run through the tractor screen. And we've got retrofit Trimble guidance. It is done 4,708 hours and starts to run as well. So this Challenger is in stock and available now. So if you'd like any more information or you'd like to come and have a look at it, please get in contact with us at Thurlow Nunn Standen.